each other. Oh, you can barely see them.
Mm-hmm.
Blend right in.
Mm-hmm.
There's no way you're gonna get a picture of that.
I'm taking a video. I lost him.
They're both up high. They're looking right at you.
I don't want to see your butt. Turn around. Where'd the other one go?
The other one's on the right hand limb. And he's picking away.
You can't see him.
He just flew up to the big branch.
Okay, so there's one on the main trunk.
Yeah, there's one over on your right.
Yep, that's the one I've got.
And there's the one just on your left flew up to the big trunk.
Damn it.
The one on the right's just hanging out.
Mm-hmm.
The little one just came down. He's coming down. He's posing for you.
Oh, he went behind.
Oh.
Dang it.
It's like the color of a ramen almost.
I know, the belly. That's what I was saying. Where's your partner?
He's still up on the right. Oh, he's looking right at us. One on the right. He's off the third trunk. He's sitting up on a top branch. You see him?
That one?
Yep.
Yeah, that's the only one I see.
He's all fluffed.
Mm-hmm.
And the other one on the left is one of the small branches. He's hanging out.
That's the longest I've seen them. Well, hell, I've never seen two at a time.